Let's be honest, infinity mirrors are awesome. I've wanted to make one for so long. I finally did. Oh, I wonder what that could be. To get started, you need a one-way mirror. I started by cutting two 9-inch squares. Acrylic is a little difficult to cut, but I did figure it out eventually. Then I built a wooden box for it. So I didn't film this part because you'll have to kind of just play it by ear yourself as you do it. But now, as you can see, I have this addressable LED light strip fitted into the frame now, all the way around. And that hole that I made, I fed it through there, and I have a little bit on the top here because I decided to not just cut it off, and it can have light at the top as well. But it's all fitted in here with the sticky back tape, which should hold it, I think. I decided to use some white tape as a nice contrast and to hold the mirrors to the wood frame. So you can start edging now. As far as I know, pretty much any Arduino type of microcontroller would work for this, so I used an Arduino Mega equivalent, and I'll link the code in the description if I remember to. I'm using addressable LEDs in this, which means I can display any color in any pattern that I want to.